Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Renault key. This is a flip key starting from 2008 until up to 2016, 17 even. We found that this particular key was also used for the Mercedes-Benz Citan. It's exactly the same case, so you can if you have to change the battery for that, it will be the same procedure. So you'll need a flathead screwdriver, and as you see here, you have a gap for opening the case. It comes open in two parts. Please make sure the motherboard doesn't get to you don't touch it with the screwdriver or with anything else. The battery is on the back here, and in our case it's a CR2032 battery. Once replaced, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the back of the case. Put the case back together, align it, and if it's well aligned, it should clip straight away. You see here the board has a guide that allows you to put it back into its original position. And what I do, I usually put the side with the battery up so it doesn't come out of place. And it clips back together. Flip the key back in and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.